Welcome to a journey through the captivating world of Greek mythology, where gods and goddesses ruled the heavens, the earth, and the seas. This video provides a comprehensive list of essential major Olympian gods and goddesses, as well as significant minor deities and entities that play crucial roles, to provide a well-rounded understanding of Greek mythology's diverse pantheon. Major Olympian deities: Zeus, king of the gods, wielder of thunderbolts, and ruler of Mount Olympus. Hera, the majestic queen of Olympus, goddess of marriage, and protector of wedded love. Athena, the wise and strategic goddess of wisdom, warfare, and artistic inspiration, often associated with her symbol, the wise owl. Apollo, the radiant god of music, arts, prophecy, and healing, who grace the world with harmonious melodies. Aphrodite, the enchanting goddess of love, beauty, and desire, born from the sea's foam. Dionysus, the joyful god of wine, revelry, and ecstasy, who inspired celebrations and merriment. Hermes, the swift-footed messenger of the gods, guide of travelers, and conductor of souls to the afterlife. Hades, the enigmatic ruler of the underworld, where the souls of the departed found their eternal rest. Demeter, the nurturing goddess of agriculture and fertility, who granted abundance to the earth. Poseidon, the formidable god of the seas and oceans, master of the waves and protector of sailors. Artemis, the skilled goddess of the hunt, wilderness, and protector of young girls, often seen with her bow and deer. Ares, the fearsome god of war, who thrived in the chaos of battle, inspiring warriors with his valor. Hestia, the gentle goddess of the hearth and home, who symbolized the warmth and comfort of the family. Hephaestus, the master craftsman and blacksmith of the gods, who forged powerful weapons and divine artifacts. Additional major deities: Persephone, daughter of Demeter, the radiant goddess of spring, who dwells both in the world of the living and the underworld. Pan, the mischievous god of the wild, shepherds, and rustic music, whose playful tunes echoed through the woods. Eris, the mischievous goddess of discord, who incited chaos and strife, famously by tossing the golden apple of discord. Eros, the winged god of love and desire, whose arrows could make even the mightiest hearts succumb to love. Nyx, the personification of the night, from which the cosmos itself emerged. Hypnos, the gentle god of sleep, who spread soothing dreams among mortals with his poppy-laden touch. Thanatos, the somber god of death, who guided souls to the afterlife, bringing peaceful rest to the departed. Helios, the radiant god of the sun, who rode his chariot across the sky, illuminating the world. Selene, the serene goddess of the moon, who cast her silvery light over the night. Minor deities and entities: the Muses, the 9 inspirational goddesses of the arts and sciences, who ignited the sparks of creativity in the hearts of mortals. The Graces, or Charities, the enchanting goddesses of beauty, charm, and creativity, who bestowed grace upon the world. The Moirai, the 3 sisters who held the threads of human destiny, weaving the intricate tapestry of life. Tyche, the goddess of fortune and chance, who spun the wheel of destiny, influencing the fate of mortals. Panacea, the goddess of universal remedy and healing, offering solace and cure to those in need. Nemesis, the implacable goddess of retribution, ensuring balance and justice prevailed among gods and mortals. Proteus, the elusive sea god who could change his form at will, guarding the secrets of the deep. Eileithyia, the goddess of childbirth, who guided mothers through the transformative journey of bringing life into the world. The Horae, the goddesses of the seasons, who marked the passage of time and the changing beauty of the earth. Priapus, the rustic god of fertility, gardens, and protector of plants, whose presence ensured bountiful harvests. Triton, the herald of the sea, who blew his conch shell to calm or unleash the waves. The Oreads, the graceful nymphs of the mountains, who inhabited the peaks and valleys of the earth's grandest landscapes. The Potamoi, the river gods, embodiments of the flowing waters that nourished the land and its people. These are but a few of the captivating beings that populate the rich tapestry of Greek mythology, each weaving their own stories and influence. Like and subscribe for more content like this.